In this quick video tutorial, we'll show you how to activate the Zoho Desk integration and how to implement a signature for an agent. Let's begin. Access the integration section and activate the Zoho Desk integration. Before activating, note that you have access to help tutorials in this area. Click on the Manage tab and activate the integration by authorizing the Bybrand application in your Zoho Desk account. Then load all agents and departments from Zoho Desk. Success! All agents and departments have been loaded. If your Zoho Desk account doesn't support multiple departments, disable this option. Now, let's implement a signature remotely for an agent. Access the Signature section and select the Paste an Email option for a specific signature. On the side, you'll see the active integration with the list of agents. Click Deploy Signature to send it to the selected agent. When the agent responds to a support ticket via email, this HTML signature will be attached to the message.